Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am coming with an unboxing of an airbrush. Usually people use it as a makeup tool, but I purchased it for another purpose. Yes, it can also be used for cake decoration. I will show it later. First, let us go through the unboxing. In this packet, we can see some cleaning tools along with a water dropper. The user manual. Here is the airbrush. It looks elegant. We can feel the premium quality. This is the compressor. It is really lightweight. It contains an internal battery that can be recharged using a Type-C data cable. We can see a power button and a charging indicator in it. Now it is ready to use. Using this trigger, we can control the paint flow. Also, we have an option for slow speed. This is a 5 ml ink pipette. Another 20 ml and 40 ml pipette are also available in the box. A Type-C cable is also available. I think this spiral hose is used to connect other airbrushes, but we cannot connect the given airbrush to this hose. While charging, the indicator turns red. These brushes and rods are used for cleaning the airbrush. A spare nozzle is also given in the package, which was a surprise for me. Not sure whether it is a 0.3 mm or 0.2 mm. The nozzle of this air gun is only 0.3 mm, so it can only spray watercolor pigments, inks and properly diluted paints. If the paint and liquid are too thick, please properly dilute it with water or thinner. See how beautifully we can spray colors. In this way we can decorate cakes with the gradient colors and patterns. I bought it from Amazon for just 2,950 and I am very much satisfied with this purchase. I feel it is really value for money. Please comment if you need to know how to clean the airbrush. I will add another video later if required. If you feel my videos are helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.